Hello, good morning, children's. Class 8th, all sections A, B, C, D. So we have completed first two worksheet of parallel lines. Now today I go for worksheet third, 29th July, Wednesday. Division of a line segment into equal parts. How we can divide a line segment AB into equal parts. So division of a line segment into equal parts, or division of a line segment in a given ratio internally. So worksheet third, first question, draw a line segment AB is equal to 5 centimeter and divide it internally into 6 equal parts. Divide a line segment. Your line segment AB is your 5 centimeter. First your step is draw a line segment with the help of ruler. AB is equal to 6 centimeter. It is in your book it is 5 centimeter. I have taken your 6 centimeter. Here questions, it is not 5. It is I have taken this line segment of 6 centimeter. But in your book your line segment is 5 centimeter. Draw a line segment AB is equal to 6 centimeter and divide it internally into 6 equal parts. So first draw a line segment AB is equal to 6 centimeter with the help of ruler. Second, at A and B with the help of protractors, you can make here alternate interior angles at A and B. If alternate interior angles are equal, then lines this AQ ray will parallel to BP. So it is easy that you can take your angle 45 degree at A and 45 degree at B, but opposite side of AB. At A and B, draw rays AQ and BP. AQ and BP parallel to each other on opposite side of AB. At A, यहाँ पर टॉप पे आपने 45 डिग्री के एंगल ड्रॉ किया और बी में आपने बॉटम नीचे को 45. दे आर अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल. इफ अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल्स आर इक्वल देन लाइंस विल बी पैरेलल. अगर यहाँ पर आप 45 का ले रहे हैं, यहाँ पर 60 का ले रहे हैं, देन लाइंस विल नॉट बी पैरेलल. सो two lines will be parallel if their alternate interior angles. This angle BAQ is equal to angle ABP. They are pair of alternate interior angles. Yes. At A and B, draw rays AQ and BP parallel to each other on opposite side of AB. Using compass, mark 6 points on AQ and 6 points on BQ. Mark 6 points because we have to divide this line segment AB internally into 6 equal parts. So on AQ we can mark 6 equal parts, and also on BP we also mark 6 equal parts. Parts of equal distance, namely A1, A2, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. And similar in case of B, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6. Now join A6 to B and B6 to A. So these two lines will also be parallel. If you measure their length, A6 and B6, their length will also be equal. Now join. Now divide this AB line segment into 6 equal parts. Join A1, B5, A2, B4, A3, B5, A4, B A4, B2, A5, B1. So all lines will be parallel. So this line segment AB is divided into six equal parts: A C1, C1 C2, C2 C3, C3 C4, C4 C5, C5 B. If you now measure their length with the above scale, so all their distances will be same. सारे जो डिस्टेंस होंगे इसके सेम होंगे. इन दिस वे वी कैन डिवाइड ए लाइन सेगमेंट इनटू 6 इक्वल पार्ट्स. दिस इज फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ योर वर्कशीट 3rd. नाउ आई गो फॉर सेकंड क्वेश्चन. ड्रॉ ए लाइन सेगमेंट ऑफ लेंथ 6.4 cm and divide it into 4 equal parts. This is also similar of question first. So please, these questions will be your homework. Now 3rd and 4th. Today I have taken 1 to 4 questions. I take question first and 3rd, and 2nd and 4th will be your homework. So question 3rd is that draw a line segment of length 5.5 cm. Divide it internally in the ratio 2:3. 2:3. 2:3. What is the length of each part? 2:3 means इसमें कितने इक्वल पार्ट्स लेंगे आप ए क्यू और बी पी में ही. इसको आपने ऐड करना है. 2:3. 2 + 3 = 5. 5 equal parts. We have mark 5 equal parts on AQ and 5 equal parts on BP. Rest one, all steps will be same. So draw a line segment of length 5.5 cm and divide it internally in the ratio 2:3. 2:3 means we have mark how many equal parts? 2 + 3 = 5. At last we join A1, 2 and B3, A2 and B3, A2 and B3. So this A2 and B3 intersect AB at C. On measuring we get the length of AC and CB. This line segment is divided into 2:3 part. With the help of rulers we can measure the length. AC is equal to 2.2 cm and CB is equal to 3.3 cm. If we add these two line segment, their sum is also equal to 5.5 cm. So I do the sums once again. Draw a line segment. First step is also write down their steps. Draw a line segment AB is equal to 5.5 cm. At A and B, draw two rays AQ and BP parallel to each other on opposite side of AB. On opposite side of, you have to taken these angles at A 45 and at B 45, but opposite side of AB. That is why these two lines will be parallel. These two lines will be parallel. Now next, second step and third step. Using compass mark 5 equal parts on AQ and 5 equal parts on BP, namely A1, A1 A2, A2 A3, A3 A4, A4 A5, and B1, B1 B2, B2 B3, B3 B4, B4 B5. Now join A5 to B and B5 to A. After that we join 2:3. You have to take your 2 parts of A2 and 3 parts of your B3. 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2 A2 B3. Join A2 B3. This is your 2 is your A2 and 3 is your B3. Join A2 B3 intersecting AB at C. Thus a line segment AB is divided internally in the ratio 2:3. On measuring with the help of ruler, the length of AC is equal to 2.2 cm and the length of BC is equal to 3.3 cm. So in this way we can divide a line segment AB internally in the ratio 2:3. All sums are similar. So today you have to do your homework. Do question 2nd and 4th of worksheet 3rd. So thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.